Good evening, everyone. I'm Matthew Arboling, 27, from Cagayan de Oro City. I'm a fitness trainer and an athlete. Thank you.
Matthew is a familiar personality. Parang ito ata yung yung zero daw ng mga judges. Pero alam niyo na ha, bawal yung zero. Bawal ang zero dito. Okay? Sige.
Matthew, if I'm not mistaken, current candidate ka ngayon ng Mr. Cagayan de Oro.
Yes, my recent pageant po is Mr. Cagayan de Oro. Held at Limkit Kai Atrium last August 18 po.
So tapos na.
Yes, tapos na.
Nanalo ka ba?
Hindi.
Si Nero daw kasi siya nung isang
Nasira yung actor ko.
Sige, indulge natin ang crowd natin. Kasi nakikita ko naman sa mga media pages natin sa pageantry. Bakit ka hindi nanalo? Ikaw naman ata ang crowd favorite ng ating media. And by criteria, ikaw naman ang pinaka will fit doon sa mga nandun. Sana naging fair naman sila. Pero we're curious bakit ka nag-join sa Mr. Grand Philippines. Madami namang ibang pageant.
I joined Mr. Grand Philippines because it's a prestigious platform that I can represent Cagayan de Oro City to greater heights, and I will contribute great things in this prestigious platform. Thank you.
Patas naman kami dito. Wala naman magbibigay ng zero dito sa'yo. Thank you. Baka sa ibang judges. Next question.
Since this is not your first pageant, siguro may advocacy ka. Can you share that with us and tell us kung anong ginawa mo before with in regards to your advocacy to raise that awareness?
Thank you. My advocacy is Sustainable Development Goal number 3, good health and well-being. Because I want to empower people to have an active and healthy lifestyle, to drum up support, to raise awareness for our health future issues. Thank you.
Can you share something just to show your personality or yung hobbies mo, yung passions mo, yung fun side mo?
I'm so sporty person. I love playing sports, especially basketball, because I'm a varsity player and I love to explore in more on high adrenaline activities. That's all. Thank you.
Do you have a talent that you can share with us today?
So far, my talent is all about basketball because I just practiced it since grade school.
Matilda, baka pwede ka daw bola for the game.
One more question.
Any other questions? Yes, ma'am.
I'll put 3 points here for you.
Wow, 3 points. Any other questions? Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's not a very serious question, but could you tell us a most recent funny memory?
My most recent funny memory is about the recent issue that I got zero character because many radio station want to interview me for a statement, and all my supporters keep on asking about those interviews.
So one last question. Since you got 0 on that pageant, so if I'm going to ask you, how can you rate yourself from 1 to 10? What is the lowest and then the highest, and why?
For me, it's I rate myself 9.
Why?
Because I always believe that there's always room for improvement, and I'm a teachable person. Thank you.
Matthew, tama ba yung 0 sa character? Yung binigyan ka ng 0 sa character part?
Yes, sa
Taray naman ng 0 na character. Sige, thank you so much, Matthew. We'll see you again later. So, ayan, from Cagayan de